Alrighty guys, so this is the interior of a Ford 350 HD moving van slash truck thing. Got the little gas tank right there, that's pretty cool. But check out the nice interior once again, nice Ford interior with all the different cubby holes in the doors, no change slot, multiple cup holders here, like there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, very nice inside of this. So look at that, nice leather seats. I'm thinking this is a little bit different material, but for the most part leather seats look really nice, all manual. But yeah, look at that, you got the AC unit there, power on, power off. You got even got a fancy screen in there, so I mean that's pretty cool. But I mean it looks good, ginormous window, so that's pretty cool. And then just really nice overall interior. Plus also I've got the fire extinguisher just in case, so looks good. That's for sure. We'll have to see how it rides though. Now this is a Home Depot truck, so they have it set up so you can't pop the trunk as far as I know, but it looks pretty good up there. Got the lights up on top. Looks like that. But yeah, it's one of the Transit 350 HDs, so Todd was driving it, says he might have the 4-cylinder turbo, but it might be something else. Not totally sure, but either way, it looks pretty good and hauled quite a bit, so nice. We'll have to take a ride in it and see how it does. So we're running duals back here, so very nice, but we also are having Continental tires on here, on the back at least, and same in the front, so pretty nice. Nice Continental tires. It looks pretty good. Maybe a little bit on the one side. Looks like they're probably going to need some new rims here at some point. But other than that, they look pretty good.
Well, hello everybody. On the move again. And decided to try the Home Depot Ford Transit van. Kind of a better deal for an all-day price. You don't have to worry about so much wind to get 24 hours, one flat price. And honestly, I wanted to drive this new Transit style, and really liking it so far. It drives nice. I'm not sure which motor. I'd really like to see which motor. Bear tried to pop the hood, but can't find the latch. So if it's not raining, we'll try to find that later, splice that together. But running really good. It's got a 12-foot box. It's a little bit shorter than your conventional U-Haul box, and I think it's a little bit shorter too, overall length of the vehicle, but it drives superb. So I had to put in some air in the right front because it's all digitized, so one tire sensor was showing low. Filled it up from a quarter of a tank, $30. I'm a little over half a tank now. But AC's blowing great. You got your Bluetooth here. I couldn't quite get it for the audio, but it got it set up where it's taking calls. Mirrors are great. Box is a little bit narrower, so you fit in the lane really well. I'm used to driving the trailer, but even with this box, you're very comfortable. I'm not nervous about being too far over in one lane and sideswiping somebody with the box because it just fits so well. It is a double axle, so this one came with the ramp. Thankfully, with the rental too, you got the dolly is free as well. Whereas you got to pay a little bit extra at U-Haul. But I think it's a rack and pinion steering, superb. It really, honestly, it feels like driving my 2006 Focus, just a little bit more grown up. I mean, I'm getting onto the on ramp and just digging into the gas, and it felt more. This button right here will give you your different modes. This is normal. You've got eco, slippery, snow. You can go through that. It shows up on your screen, and you can go from there. But I really like it. I really like it. Piece of cake. Mirrors are wonderful. Power seems to be good. Brakes are superb. So just sticking in the lanes, piece of cake. Steering wheel is nice, good, comfortable. Bear's only gripe was he wishes there was an armrest on the side. So, but there's cup holders galore. You got side pockets. You got your nice big sun visors. Once again, Florida AC is just blasting.
Yep.
So, really, yeah, I'm really impressed. I told Bear I want to...
In a quarter mile, use any lane to turn left onto South John Young Parkway.
Any lane? Okay. I want to see how this intersection is laid out. If we can use any lane to go south. This is going to be interesting. Oh, okay. That one goes north, so I'm...
Use any lane to turn left onto South John Young Parkway.
That one goes north. Yeah. So I think we're going to stick with this one.
Yeah.
But anyways, I told Bear, I'm switching over to Ford, and I want to set one of these up for a lawn service truck with a big ramp, and this is what I want now. I like it. I don't like that first to second. It feels a little bit sloppy, but that's my only complaint so far with the shifting. It's in normal at the moment. Gas gauge is showing 13.5, so that sounds about normal. So that's not too bad. But I really like it. Bear, can you tell that I like this?
Yep.
Okay. Any thoughts? I know your voice is kind of gravelly, but any thoughts?
So in normal modes, so is there like eco mode, sport mode, that type
There's
stuff?
eco mode, and then there's like a slippery wet weather mode.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So technically, you could probably get a little bit better gas mileage than by switching
Right.
to eco then.
Let's see. So you go through here.
Yeah.
So now we're in eco mode.
Okay.
But the shifts feel... Oh, it's got tow mode too. But
Oh,
the shifts
okay.
feel a little bit funnier, softer.
Mm-hmm.
So probably for normal driving, it's not really...
Yeah.
Cruising it might be good, but
Mhm.
on and off, I don't
Yeah.
think it's going to be as helpful.
Gotcha. Okay.
So, but it does have those options. It's funny because this switch for
Uh-huh.
the mirrors, brakes are awesome. Feel
Yeah.
that? Bite.
Yeah, but
And I'm not even really standing on it. They're great
Yeah.
brakes.
That feels good.
And granted, we don't really have that much of a load.
Yeah.
You load up with mowers and so forth. Can you imagine that set up for mowers?
That would be fascinating. Yep.
And do like a long door on one
Mhm.
side and pop it there. That'd be cool. Yeah, a little bit softer shift in there, but not bad. Ooh, there's
Is it a
green
better shift than
McLaren
the
up
normal,
there.
or?
Yeah, it just feels different. It feels
Gotcha.
like it's a little bit softer. So I'll definitely be using it on the drive back.
Mm-hmm.
Eke out some more fuel economy.
Yep.
Obviously I'm supposed to return it with quarter of a tank, so I think it's going to be returned with a lot more.
You lit up a
Do you
bikini.
think it was bikini or Pagani?
Whatever the P one is.
Oh,
Yeah. Probably was what was it? Yeah, the real chunky one. I'm not sure what that one's called. But it looks a lot bigger than the others.
gotcha.
But look good though.
Yeah, I'm really curious what motor it is. I'm not sure it's the turbo. It might just be a normal 3.7. I don't think it's turbo.
Yeah, because there's no whine.
Right. I mean, they're pretty cool.
And I mean, they're pretty quiet,
small
but it's still a
turbos.
unique sound for it.
So, but anyways, I think we'll wrap it up there. I'll
Yep.
give you some, I'll probably, if I can figure out the latch, and it gives you a temperature here too.
Oh,
If I
okay.
can figure out the latch, it's got a manual mode too. The gear shifter's kind of nice too.
Okay.
So, but yeah, if I find out any more underneath the hood, we'll let you know.
Yeah.
So, all right. Thanks for watching. Back soon.